Welcome. My name's Brian Knight, and I live near Melbourne in Australia, and it's just after 5 o'clock in the morning on a Thursday for me. The days are marching on for this week. um, Welcome, Tom. There.
Hi, Brian.
Let's just share this. Yeah. So, welcome to this live FOREX analysis session. Just note that any trades discussed in this group are to be classed purely as educational only. That's because we're a group of people helping each other and we're not financial advisors. There is a full risk disclosure there and a little bit about us as live session traders as well. So, rightio. Let's have a look across onto the charts and see where we're at. Yeah, we go. Okay, so AUD CAD continue to drop, and yes, the Bank of Canada lowered their interest rate. So normally the lowering there would mean that we might get a buy, but the CAD is obviously pretty strong, like US will be. So AUD/USD will also be selling. Now on the daily, we're not out the other side. We've still got a red. So the last bit is just still pushing down. Still selling out on the 15. And got a long, then got a short. So there's just a long at the moment now. And I think I had said that it was going to potentially pull back down further. We've got this down here. I think we've got further to go. But we do have, like, it's Wednesday your time now, Tom, isn't it?
Correct.
Potentially a direction change to occur, just like it sort of did here. If you look at it as we, Thursday, whatever, and then push back up, and then it dropped off this. So we might, well, potentially here on this long, it's well out there, but it's not, we don't have anything out here at the moment on the daily. So not quite ready for Darren to swoop in and get into a buy on it yet. I still think the AUD will just keep after the rate decision the other day, or no rate decision, if that makes any sense. So nothing's going to happen until at least February, and apparently the pundits are on May sometime. Right, AUD CHF. Well done, Tom. This was our discussion yesterday. But this is like any trade, isn't it? You've got to, where are we there? It's on the 15th. So you're talking about potentially coming up to here, but it did come and spike back out here onto a stop loss. Say, at the moment, it's still just going sideways.
Oh, on AUD on the CHF?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in there.
Yeah, did it not stop you out? Oh, you
No,
put your stop loss
I
further
waited.
down.
I got in. I got in later. I'm down there at the. For right now, I can't for some reason load my Facebook. It's not loading, so I'm looking off my phone. So
Right. Okay. Sorry.
so yeah, my entry is 10 pips off that bottom.
Oh,
See where you
okay.
got your long down there?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You
Yeah, that's
waited
where
for
I'm
that
at down
long.
there.
Okay. Right.
I
Yeah.
wanted
Well,
I wanted the higher low.
mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Which you've got there. It didn't break that, so you waited and then
right.
in there. Okay. But it doesn't matter. I mean, the point is, if you had have got in when it, like we were talking, this was yesterday. No, it wasn't. Where was this today? Oh, yeah, it would have been. Um, this would have potentially spiked you in, pulled back, got into profit, and then pushed itself back down. And if you, I don't know, if you had your stop loss down there, it probably would have been okay. That would have been all right, that one. I think you told me. I'm pretty sure you said I was putting it here. You said, no, no, no,
Yeah, it's
propose.
not. It wasn't safe there.
Yeah, exactly. Well done. All right. Yeah, but you didn't get in there. You left it. You waited for here, got the long and got in at that point.
Correct.
Okay, cool. Okay, let's see. Um, It depends, doesn't it, this time of the week, whether it'll push back up. Now, you do have, I think this was our discussion because on the daily, there was the green triangle, and we were talking about you saying, "Oh, let me try and get in earlier with a tighter stop loss to get the buy back up." So that would be good. All right. Oh, it's a shame you can't load out the Facebook one. I don't know what's going on. There must be something.
Yeah, I don't
Yeah,
know.
okay.
It's in here just winding, and then every time I try and get into Messenger, it wants me to do some sort of numbered password. I have no
Oh.
idea.
They're good, aren't they? All right. Okay. AUDJPY. Now it did. Oh, oh, we did push up, back. It's come to this point. This is did you haven't got into that yet, or you did off that long, or
Uh, the yen? No,
are
I'm not.
you
I'm sorry. JPY. No, I'm not in this yet.
okay? No. Right here.
I'm waiting for it to buy back up.
Yeah, which I think it will do. It's created a high low and a high high. It'll pull back again, hopefully not break this long and then push back up again. And that's what we've got over here. All right. And we will see. AUD NZD. Yeah, it did create. Look at the wicks on this. Crazy. It did create a high high. Got along. Yeah, this is time to look at potentially getting in on this one. My only concern is that all the AUDs aren't looking great. I mean, they look like they're selling. When you've got something like this, that JPY, it's just that the Japanese yen's pretty weak. It's gone from a strong position to now not being that great. A fair bit happening over in Asia. Hmm. Rightio, AUD Singapore. It might be just the one out of all of them that's running different. Okay, AUD Singapore. We've got some green arrows here or triangles. But again, I'm not too convinced on this one. I think we're still selling out. Well, you can see it's got a red triangle there anyway. We'll probably get a short on that and sell. It's been quite a long run down. I mean, it's saying that it'll pull back up. I just don't. I mean, yes, it will, but I can't see it coming to the outside of the rail potentially at this point. It might. I don't think it's ready to cook to push up too high. Let's see if it breaks structure there or there. Because I think we'll get a short now to sell out. And AUD USD. Okay. This is
I'm
the
in this one.
Wednesday. Yeah, you're in for the buy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Still not too convinced. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I can see this. Like it's already again, it's broken the yearly low. Keeps pushing down. Oh, that's a fib. Gonna get rid of that. I think this has got further to push over here. It'd be nice to catch that early push back up, but I don't think it's going to happen yet. Either the US and Canadian have to weaken off a lot. And I can't see. See, all of this came out as expected, primarily. So it's not anything, strange or it's retail sales. Because so I can't see it really making a substantial move back up. There's nothing to do with the Aussie dollar. It's just sort of idling around the joint. I think it'll sell out further. Unfortunately, Tom.
On the USD, AUD
Yeah,
USD.
EUD Yeah, I think it'll sell out further. I mean, it has pulled up that little bit, but look, there's no like. Can you see the short here and a push there? You want a long that pushes it back up, but it's just not. It's still on that. It's still on that push down.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Okay. CAD CHF. Whoa, that was a big push up on the. Okay, that's a direction change there. Right, we're making highs. All right. Yeah. Okay. Let's wait for this pullback getting to the long. I think this will, yeah. I think this was our swing low. It's just done this. Now I think we'll have the push back up. You don't you don't want to get into this, Darren, do you? And it doesn't fulfill your criteria.
No, no.
No, no, he says no, no. 4.5 months is watching it was enough. Okay. But you can see on the daily within the rails, this is what pushed out. But like all of this is up and down, nothing. It's a crazy pair. Crazy pair. Let's see. If it doesn't break this long, we come down, we get along here. This is short. It might even be, mightn't go too much. It depends. There's a fair bit of just in there. The fair value gap. Push to there, maybe out to the outside. We'll see. And then along on that, I'm going to watch that one. All right. If it doesn't do anything for you, though. KJ. Oh, yeah, okay. This is going to buy. Let's get a short off. You can see here. Wow. On the 15. Spiked back down into there, then pushed up, back, made a higher low. Did that? No, it didn't break. Okay, so we're going up. Yep. And are you in this, Darren? Did you get into KJ? I think you were talking yesterday. Oh, no, we haven't got along yet. Or
No,
do you?
no, not in this one. No.
You haven't got along. Oh, okay.
Oh.
All right. Well, I got a pin bar change, and this has got me a bit more comfortable. All right. CHF and JPY. This one, you've got your long, your outside rail, and you're ready to, should be. Yeah. You would have got into that yesterday,
Yeah.
day before. Okay. I did pull back a fair bit actually. But you're safe, you're down here as a stop loss way down there.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're in CHF JPY, that's all right. Yeah, all right. Let's go Euros. Euro AUD. Let's see if we get through some of these today. Ooh. This is what you said, Tom. You reckon it was going to sell out to resist it? Just. Oh, did they change the, what was the, or is that still to come? Rate decision to come. Okay, right. Okay, what are your thoughts, colleagues? That's Euro AUD. I think it'll sell.
I'm waiting for the pullback for it to sell.
Yeah. Do you reckon it'll come up and take out this? Nah, I don't know whether it'll fill that.
It'll take out what?
Well, there's a fair value gap just above. Like it hasn't come up and filled any of that. It's tried. Because you get this fair value gap down below. I can leave it. Well, whatever.
Well, I'm only counting on the pullback not to beat the short that it just created.
You reckon not to beat that? Okay.
Yeah, I just wanted to pull back and then push down.
Okay. Well, it's broken this though, the previous high. So that means it was still pushing up. And you reckon this might be the swing high for it to then push back down?
Right.
Okay. Well, fair enough. I agree with you. I just don't know whether it'll come up further like this. If it doesn't break that long and then it pushes up further, I think it'll fill this in up the top here. But that is pretty close. Like it's going to be your tomorrow. 8. So it's at about 4 in the morning or something, 5 in the morning for you. Okay. It'll push it in one direction or the other. More likely to sell it out. But anyway. Okay, Euro CAD. Oh, that was a big drop off on the thing. So, okay. All right, well, that gives more credence to it actually dropping off on that Euro AUD. But the CAD is pretty strong, so got that push up. Oh, let's see. Let's see. It'll come up to there and then potentially drop back down. Looks like it's not going to make it to the outside. You're in this though, Darren?
I am, yeah.
Gold.
Yeah.
And for the buy.
Yeah.
Oh, don't like the look of that. Oh, but if you haven't moved your stop loss, you probably be okay because it could potentially come down, fill this in, and then go back up again.
Yeah. I mean, I haven't moved my stop loss, but if I followed my radical new rules, I should have done, shouldn't I?
I know you don't have another long. Is it a
Well, we had
long?
the pull. No, we had the pullback. It turned red
Yeah.
and then turned back green, pushed up and broke the previous
Oh,
high.
oh, it's the trend bar you're doing it. No, I thought you had to have another long.
Well, I have that one, but then I brought in that second,
The second
revolution, didn't I?
second update. Okay.
Yeah. So, so if we get a pullback, and I mean pullback in the sense that the trend bar turns
Changes.
red again,
Yeah.
then it sort of turns around and starts to push up again, turns back green, breaks the
Mm.
previous high, then
Mm-hmm.
move a stop loss to below that
Okay. All
pullback.
right.
So that's what I should be doing now, which I probably will. What
Rightio.
I should do, really. I mean, that's
Yeah,
made
you
that
do have
decision.
to follow your rules, Darren. I mean, if
Yeah.
you've got updated rules that they need to be followed,
There's no point, spending that time working out what to do and then
they're
not
not doing
implementing
it.
it. No, that's right. Because
That's
this could just turn
counterproductive.
this could turn and just carry on going and then take a full 1% loss again.
Yeah.
Uh,
What
but
was
I
that,
think
Tom?
it's a pullback. There's a big wick on that daily candle now, so
Yeah. Yeah.
sort of sucking back up again. It'll with a bit of luck, it'll continue to work its way up.
Okay. Yeah, I think the euro is a bit weak though.
Well, then,
Particularly against the Canadian, it's
yeah.
really banging on at the moment. So
Well, yeah. So that's a good reason for reducing the
the
loss by
potential loss, yeah, okay. If it is going to.
yeah.
Hmm. Okay, no worries. Euro CHF. Again, still selling, still selling, still selling. So it's just finding the right opportunity on it. The only thing on the 15 is that we do have a higher high. And currently, though, you can only say it's a high low, but I still think we'll sell out further. This one is just a slow burn. It's still going the right direction on the daily. So, and I think the euro, the way it is, will keep happening. And this is the pair euro GBP now. Exactly as I said, it's just made a new low on the yearly. On the others on the daily, but the yearly mark. So I think we've got further to go too. If you want to, this is just getting into we got a long there, wait for a short, get in the short. Euro JBY. Well, yeah, this is again, you're in this, aren't you,
Yeah.
Darren?
Yeah.
Even though the euro is quite weak, the Japanese yen is even weaker
Yeah.
at the moment. At the moment. So um just got to see how it's not going up at any sort of rate, like speedy move. There's no big candles in there. But that's still in the buy there. All good things. You got the long goddess, triangle, the whole bit. The whole enchilada we have. So yeah, JPY is on that buy at the moment, but I don't know whether, yeah, anyway, we'll just see how it goes. Euro NZD. Um, mm, Still buying.
I'm in this.
Yeah, but I'm just really, are you?
For the sale.
Yeah, I was going to say, I think it's going to sell, but I don't think it's quite ready yet. I mean, look at this daily candle. Big push up, or not big, but a push up and just suck back to nothing. Which is, where are we? And it's there. That push up has basically come back to here. That's okay. Not too bad. We haven't got any change though. You reckon this will sell out? Okay. Fair enough. You can see it's turned here in the middle of, doesn't come to the other side of the rail and then just hit it, straps it off at where. So you don't think it'll break the left?
Who are you talking to?
Okay. Yeah, you, Tom. Sorry.
Oh, me?
Yeah, I don't think you don't think it'll break this over to the left. It's done the short, pushed up further.
Well, I just needed to come. I just needed to continue dropping for a minute before it gets before it gets a pullback and drops further. Because on the daily, you already got a change of direction candle.
Yeah. All right, I'm not convinced on that one. We'll see. All right, Euro Singapore still selling out, and I think it will continue to sell. Look how messy all of this is on the 15th. Yeah, still selling on there. Euro USD will be the same. Yeah, it's done that pull up there. I think we're now on that sell out.
Again, I got in for the buy. I moved my stop loss up under my new rules, so
yeah,
I could potentially get stopped out for a small loss, and then just wait for another opportunity.
yeah. So where have you got your stop loss now?
Below the
That white wick.
yeah, that's
Okay.
it.
Okay, so you get a bit further. It might not even make it to there. I think it will though, Darren.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
But by that time, it'll be outside the rail again, and we'll get ready for the next
next opportunity.
Yeah.
Well, the issue that I've got here is that Euro's about to make a decision to lower their interest rate and a whole lot of bits and pieces. Darren, and we all know, don't we? You can't win every trade.
Oh, yeah.
You've been having a really good run, so we'll see.
Yeah.
All right, now GBPs, that GA, oh God, still pushed up. But then again, if this is a Wednesday, it's lost a bit of steam. We've got a big spike up the top. Look at that again. It's likely that euro. What was it? Euro NZD. It's like there's not a lot of momentum. We've got red triangles. But it's not ready. You reckon that's changed the direction, Tom? Red GA. Ready for the pouncing?
I don't know about that yet, because the problem being is it's hovering. It's hovering around one place on the daily time frame. It's not pushing one direction or another. It's kind of going sideways. And I actually kind of think that where it's currently at on the daily, I think it's gonna possibly peter out here.
Yeah. Definitely, it pushed up back down here. There's not much I mean, the whole day is a real non-event.
Are you on Euro AUD?
No, GBP AUD.
Oh, I'm sorry. Again, damn it,
No,
I'm on
no,
the phone
it's
trying to
okay.
see. Okay,
Tom,
so
it's
GDP
fine.
AUD. I'm actually in this for the sell.
Yeah, I thought you would. Yeah, you're looking at the signs to get in much earlier than what we do.
Yeah, I only have to
We,
be right in the very beginning and
yeah,
just
that's
chase it down. I'm
and
not waiting until it gets down to the bottom and going, hey, I think I might get in now.
true, true. Yeah,
I've
look,
done
that's
that too
right.
many times. I'm not doing that no more.
No, no, that's fair enough. Well, the GA here, it's still making highs. That's the thing. We'll need to see it come down and make some low. I don't think it will. I think this will go higher at the moment,
It may.
personally. Yeah, it's
But it
okay.
just swept the highs on the daily.
Yeah, it did. You're right.
Both
Yeah,
those peaks to the daily on the left.
yeah, yeah. I know. There and there.
No, on the daily on the left.
Yeah, over here.
No, that's the 15 minute. That's
No,
daily.
no. Over the daily here. Yeah, it's taken that one, then it came back, then it's taken that one up for higher. It's still going up at the moment. But then again, it's at some point it needs to turn. This has created a nice wick up there.
Yeah.
We'll
See?
see if we get. Yeah, I know. Yeah,
Oh, am I watching on? Is there a lag? Okay, so here's what I did. I turned on.
yeah.
I'm on YouTube watching you,
Oh,
and I think there's
okay.
a lag.
Oh, probably is. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, that's what's the lag all the way back to the Euros.
Well, I think it's like a 30-second lag actually.
Okay. Oh, bugger. It makes it makes it hard. All right. Well, that's GA. We're going to go to GCAD now. All right. And that's whoa. Okay.
Yeah, I profited out on this one. Brian hit the top of the
Yeah.
GP. That's
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Bang, and then lovely. And then it pulled back down. Very nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's like a 450 pip move.
Yeah, that one bothered me. I
As
had my
in,
trade set up there on the 15-minute and decided to go lay down, and I missed
yeah.
that whole move. It would have tapped me in and then profited me in just a minute or two.
Yeah, look at that drop.
Yep.
Bang. Yeah, okay. So you're coming off that. Oh yeah, it's a lower high. Okay. Looks like it might be on that turn. This is yeah, okay. It's just interesting to watch, Tom. Well done, Darren. It's good.
Yeah.
I think I'm still in this. So we'll just see. I think it'll push high. We don't have a triangle yet. Not that we will get one. There wasn't one here. But I think the British pound strong. This is just a middle of the week pullback at the moment. Didn't break that low. Now we'll see. You could be onto it, Tom. GBP and CHF. Yeah, don't like this one. Look at it in this middle stuff. No. GJ, now you in this now, Darren?
Yes,
Should be. Yeah, okay.
I am. Yeah.
And I think it will drive for sure. Just need to have you got a short long here. I mean, this will maybe Asian session go a bit slow, but I think we'll get a further push up. GN. Whoa. It's just like the GA. See how it's pulled back down again as well. Hasn't made a lot of movement for the day. It's interesting. Yeah, we don't have any red triangles yet. And it never made it out to the other side, just got the long and off it went. And you'll see GBP Singapore also taken off, still in the buy direction.
Yeah, I'm in this one.
Oh, you did get in, did you?
I did, yes. Oh, yeah.
Oh, was it far enough out of the rail?
It was on my settings, yeah.
Okay.
The
Oh, gee.
candle body outside the rail.
Oh, it's still well though. It's really pushing up nice. And GU should, yeah, no, that's not going so hard because of the US strength.
I mean, I'm in this one as well, but yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
It's slow at the moment.
It's a bit mediocre, isn't it? And it's at that sort of danger zone in the middle.
Yeah.
And you look on the 15, it's sort of like doing this sideways stuff, so it'll push out one way or the other. Is there any rate decision? No, it's no. I think you've got, what's this one? Unemployment rate coming up. Okay. So yeah, I think this is what's given. You said the other day, Darren, that the word on the street there is that the lowering of interest rates would be slower than initially sort of perceived.
Yeah.
And that's really given that British pound a lot of strength.
Yeah, it does.
Which is really opposite to what the Aussie dollar. Like it's still weakening out, but we're not got any idea of when any interest rate cuts would be.
No.
Just fundamentals are very different.
Yeah.
Right, New Zealand dollars. New Zealand CAD, yeah, it's off.
Yeah, well, I'm in the buy in this one, so I'm in trouble on this one by the looks of things.
Yeah, well, you didn't move your stop loss, okay.
No.
All right. Yeah, that CAD is so strong. Yeah, it's unfortunate too for you, Darren. Anyway, NZD and CHF, still just that slow moving down. Wait, as long as it doesn't break this short down here on the 15 and then pushes back down again. Just keeps making the lower lows.
I'm in this for the buy.
Oh, for the buy.
Yep.
Okay. I don't think it will. Well, sorry, it will buy, but I don't think you're going to get much out of it. I think it's still on that sell direction. New Zealand dollars really not doing too well at all, just like euros. NZD JPY. Now, even though the Japanese yen is weak, it just doesn't want to push up. So that's why we've got New Zealand dollar pretty weak. Like all the other JPYs, and UJ. Well, let's see UJ in a minute, but this has lifted a bit, but just still not going anywhere. I'm not going to get into this at the moment. It has to change a real direction on it. NU still selling out, and I think it'll sell out further too. And luckily, hopefully, you didn't get into that, Darren.
No, never didn't. Haven't had a long, so
yeah. And Singapore Japanese yen will do a buy. Yep.
Yeah, I'm in this one.
Yep.
Yep.
Look at the rails when they come in. Are going to happen? No. No rails either. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, that was well out. Come on. Doesn't want to do it. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Now USDs. Interesting against the CAD. I think it's okay. So we're now selling out. Are you going to sell on this one, Tom?
I'm not in any of the U's.
Okay. Gee whiz, I tell you, that patriotism's dropped off, isn't
Well, no,
it?
because frankly, I'm waiting for it to pull back,
Yeah,
and then I can get in it because it's just made a new high on the daily.
yeah,
Although it's in an uptrend, we're still on a high on the daily,
yeah,
and so I'm looking for this to pull back because on the 15 minute it created a low.
yeah,
So once this pulls back and doesn't break that short at the
yeah,
top,
yeah.
then I think
Then
we're
you,
going to start our turn
yeah, to
to
sell.
push down.
Yeah, there's a real sort of tussle, a real fight at the moment between that US and Canadian dollar, isn't it? I mean, the old Orange Jesus saying he'll put up the rate, and then Canada's saying, well, stuff you, what we'll do is we won't be doing this. And there's a lot of dialogue going on at the moment.
Yeah, he's already now he's threatening Canada as our 51st state.
Yeah, so that, yeah. If you don't like the tariffs, just become part of the US.
Right. Same thing he's going to say to Mexico too. Mexico already warned them. If you start sending us back our illegal aliens from the United States, we're going to send you back our American United States illegal aliens here. There's 2 million of them there.
He's also interested in acquiring Greenland.
Yep.
Was what I read as well. His next big
But-
real estate acquisition is Greenland.
Putin number two.
Yeah.
It's
It's all
great.
fun and game till January 20th.
Oh, it's the 20th now.
That's when he takes over.
Oh, I thought it was the 16th. Okay, it was 20th. All right then. It's all fun and games. I love it. Okay. USD CHF. Yeah, this is a little bit crazy too, isn't it? Forget that one. UJ. Yeah,
Forget that one. Okay.
Well, this UJ, I'm still in the sell on this one because
yeah,
I got into a
you're
few.
still the sell.
Well, I got into a few of the JPYs, and
Oh, because it never made the other side of the rail.
this one sort of lagged behind the others. I'm still in it. Now it's going up again. So
So you just got to sit there and wait, are you, Darren?
oh yeah, yeah. If
Okay.
I'm obviously in was it 4 of the JPYs for buys now, 3 or 4. So
Yeah.
if they win and this one loses, that's
Oh, it's
overall,
okay then, isn't it? One
yeah,
will mark out the other.
yeah.
So what was the time? USD CHF, you reckon there's something there?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Look at your daily.
Yeah, I know. I can see the daily. It's just danger zone and it's gone into the buy. I
Well,
think it's
I'm
overall.
in for the sell on the daily. It's I have moved my stop loss.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah,
So, but
exactly. So I'm looking for this to pull back on the daily.
which it's
I'm sorry,
doing.
not on the daily, on the 15 minute
Yeah.
with a further push down.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not comfortable with this one at the moment.
it's not an easy pair to trade. This one, I have to say.
No, it's not at all.
It's not very reliable, to be honest.
All right. US dollar and Singapore again sideways. I'm sort of again not. I mean, you're looking at the 15-minute maybe, Tom. Oh, you don't trade this anyway. That's okay. So gold, where's it?
No, I'm
Oh,
in this for a
gold.
buy, so this is
Wow,
quite well at the moment.
this is good. You wouldn't have liked that, but now it's doing all right. The problem for you is this one.
Silver, yeah.
Bloody silver. Look at it. It hasn't made the rail and it's just creeping its way back up. I feel for you, Darren. This is all right. And then Bitcoin. Hey, 100 and 100,816. Keeps going. Well, it's been higher. It's been up at 103 a couple of days ago. This is just like going off its face. And then oil has come back up, but not a lot. It's just a laggy. You're not in anything there, are you, Darren? Okay. And cocoa keeps pushing up as well. That's a bit different to the normal markets because it's a physical product and and if it has issues. But anyway, well, there you go. There's a few things there. Hopefully, Darren, you don't. I don't know. That silver's not looking good.
Well, December's proving to be a funny month, like it was last year for me, and then everything took off in January.
And then in January, it all. Yeah, I know.
So we'll see if it repeats. History repeats itself. Yeah.
Well, it's a lot of these are making low, like GBP, some of these AUDs. Well, it's not the yearly low; it's around the middle, but ACAD and CAD's just strengthened up after they just lowered interest rate, wasn't it? Last week, this week, somewhere.
Yeah.
And this Aussie dollar is just like, except for NZD and JPY. Oh no, that's still not doing too much. Okay. All right. That's our lot today. There's a few to look at. A couple we've jumped in. I don't think, Tom, that the CADs are strong. If you're looking for a sell on them, like that's okay. I think they're not quite ready yet. And the US dollar is still too strong. But anyway. Okay. Anything else?
Well, then I'll just take my profits and go home.
I'm glad you do.
There's nothing wrong with taking a couple bucks out of the market.
No. Oh, as long as you don't give too much to it, that's the only thing.
Exactly.
But like the way you're trading, though, you've got it where you have it will push into a profit, then you move your stop loss. So if it comes back and bounces you out, it doesn't matter.
Right.
That's a good way of doing it. Yeah, it's very nice.
That happened to me twice yesterday.
Okay.
I went into profit and then they came back and stopped me. I'll go in the other direction. I was like, no big deal.
Yeah, no big deal. That's
I
right.
netted 0.
Yeah. But it was only your time that you put into it and that. But then again, you're building a forecast history or knowledge and experience. So yeah. All right then. Until tomorrow. Friday for me. So it'll be the end of this trading week. We don't have any non-farm payroll. That was last week. See how things work. We're working towards that sort of not all the world, but a fair bit of holiday period there. Christmas and that. And then, as you said, Darren, maybe the market will repeat itself.
Yeah.
All right then.
Okay.
Take it easy. See you tomorrow.
All right. Take care.
Bye.